OPPO recently confirmed that it plans to launch its next foldable after the Chinese New Year. The Find N6 would debut in late February or early March. A tipster now claims that OPPO will unveil its next foldable on March 17. The Find N6 will be the world's first Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 foldable, offer up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. While the device is said to be thinner and lighter than before, the OPPO Find N6 will have a 6.6-inch screen on the outside and an 8.1-inch foldable screen on the inside. The Find N6 will feature a triple rear camera setup with two 50MP sensors and a 200MP sensor. OPPO may use the 200MP sensor for the periscope telephoto camera, 20MP selfie cameras on the outer and inner screens. It is tipped to pack a 6000 mAh battery. Upcoming foldable is expected to carry forward OPPO's focus on slim design, display quality, improved photography experience, and rugged durability. Price tag of 8,999 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.